Hey guys, Rick with Sonance here, back in our video. So in today's video we're gonna continue with the Black Friday challenges like we did in the previous video. So with these challenges we're celebrating our Black Friday discounts. Right now we're doing 40% off on every pack in the shop. We never do discounts, so this is our only time to get the packs at a really low price. Besides that, when you spend over 100 euros on the shop, you'll get a 40 euro gift card, and to top it up, at 50 euros, you'll get a free USB stick delivered at your doorstep. We're dropping this one. It contains a secret sample pack with 50 presets. The presets are made for genres as melodic, techno, tech house, bass house, so they're really versatile. In today's challenge, we're gonna use the sample pack to create a bass house drop in 10 minutes, just to show you the quality of the pack. Let's straight up into it. Let's get it started. Let me set a timer real quick at 10 minutes. And the timer is running. First, let's start off with the drums. So, open up the Black Friday pack. Let's use this 808 kind of kick for the bass house one. Drop in this crap. Just drop in an open head as well. Let's use this one. And we're gonna shorten this one to create kind of a closed head. Yeah, just like this. Bend it as well, a little bit. And place it right here, I think. Yeah, that's a dope groove. Then we need to drop in a perk as well. Yeah, that's perfect. Really got it bounced. So now we're gonna mix it. Route them out to a new mixer channel. And to a drum bus channel. First mixing the kick at around -5 dB. Clap. Yeah, just like this. Now we're gonna add some transient on the bass channel. Just like this, and to finish it off I want to add a chant loop to it. So let's head over to Splice and search for chants.
Switch.
We can use this one. Just drop it in. Fit it to the tempo. It says 134. Don't really like it actually, so we're gonna switch it up. Let's use this one. Just like this, at a really low volume of course. Also give it some reverb to push in the back of the mix. Same for the delay. Yeah, that's perfect. So now we're gonna quickly erase the drums. Like this. So then for the first two bars, I want to have no drums playing. I only want to have the bass house bass, so we're gonna add that one in. Add a new serum. Open up that Black Friday pack. Got some crazy basses in there, so. Let's search for proper sounds. Like this one. It's a really solid sound. It's one of my favorites in the pack actually, so it's just perfect for bass house. It actually doesn't need any processing. So let's start off on the root note. Because I want to work in A minor. And create a melody. Just like this. Duplicate it and switch up the last notes a little bit. That's perfect. Shorten the notes a little bit. Then I only want to add a sidechain to it actually. Create an animation clip with it. Just like this. So we don't have the sidechain playing at this part. I want to automate a mod wheel like this. It's to build some tension and energy. And then make a fill at the end of the drop by removing the low end. Just like this. Of course, I need to mix it in as well. Something like this, volume wise. And then I want to add some crashes to it as well, right here. I think we got some time left to work on that. Then route it to a new mixer channel and open up a mixer chain I saved to speed up my workflow. Yeah, that's dope. I think we can use it at the start of the drop as well. Nah, it doesn't sound that good, so I think we're already done. So that's everything I had in mind to add to the bass house drop. So I think it turned out really dope actually. It's really minimal. Of course, when we finalizing the tune, we need to add in some more elements, but again, I think it's a really dope foundation because the bass preset is just really solid. So that's it for the challenge. We're gonna listen to the final result in a minute. Besides that, if you want to check out the deals, click the link down below. We're running a 40% discount with the code BF23. Check it out below. And I see y'all in the next videos.